Makerere University Resilient Africa Network is among the innovation hubs in the country that have benefited from the National ICT Initiatives Support Program being rolled out by the Ministry of ICT and National Guidance. Resilient Africa Network received 25 infant innovators from the Ministry of ICT to nurture and develop their prototypes that also aim at solving community-based challenges. Dr. Roy Mayega, the RAN Deputy Chief of Party, reveals that the program dubbed Innovation Katale has registered success after 12 weeks of training.
Innovations related to ICT to develop their ideas into businesses or into to a level that they can become businesses or they can become self-reliant and change societies.
The Permanent Secretary, Minister of ICT and National Guidance, Vincent Waiswabajire, hailed the innovators, saying government is considering reducing on the costs of imported software by promoting local innovators.
For instance, all ministries, all our operations in government that are automated use a software or two. Now we are saying that rather than import software, we want the Ugandans to develop that software which we can utilize or which government should be able to utilize so that we create employment within the country as opposed to giving away jobs by virtue of procurement of a software which indeed can be done or developed by Ugandans.
Among the innovations showcased during the Innovation Katale include drone secure land to help in ending land disputes and others. In a related development, government is set to unveil the electronic payment gateway through the National IT Authority of Uganda. The payment gateway is to enable citizens pay for government services like taxes, permit fees, passport, among others, electronically. According to NITA Uganda, the gateway is to be piloted with few government agencies like Uganda Wildlife Educational Center and Ministry of Agriculture, and then rolled out to other agencies.
The first part was to develop the system, test it, check its security and everything. Then the next part, which is going to be the first phase of implementation, is going to be to pilot this service. All is set to do the pilot, and by end of this July, which is 31st July, this service is expected to be piloted with 10 different entities in government.
Ivan Sechondwa, the Payment Gateway Project Manager at NITA Uganda, reveals that the move also targets reduction of more cash at hand and promote digital payment at all levels.
He's partly going to leverage internet, but it's also going to do without internet. There are some channels that have been, payment channels that have been specifically developed for this solution, which do not require internet.
Reliable information indicates that Uganda's technology industry is moving at a fast track, with more innovations coming on board. Daniel Mugoya and David Matovu reporting.
They are saying, no, we have food and